Hey, how you doing? It's Garage Door Mike. I'm going to show you what they call in the industry a new operator. Okay. From our good old buds at Whitting. Alright. All brand new. The shaft is new. The cones are new. The springs are new. And the drums are new. And the reason why we're doing this today is, we'll show you. That looks like dental floss, man. Yeah, gonna need a new one. Yeah, those are junk. Where's the other one? Oh, look at this. This one here, they just did the old snipperoonie. That one's gone. Do not put grease in your tracks. Big no-no. Shame on you. Don't do that. These rollers are all gummed up. Look at all that. Nasty. The worst thing you could do on these truck doors is put this stinking grease in here. Stop doing that. The next person who does that, you're going to get a detention and they're going to stay after school. Anyway, you can see this one's tilting. We're going to fix all this mess. He's going to need a couple new wheels here and there. Grease is the worst because your rollers are going to slide in the track. They're not going to roll, the bearings are going to fry out, and your door's going to roll like dog do. This is another big no-no. Even if you don't have no seals around this thing, squirt some lube and oil on this stuff, man. This is how these things start running like crap, with these springs, and then you throw all this stinking grease in the track, and then you're messed up, man. Stop doing that. Here's the main reason we're doing this. Drums are absolutely kaputski. I mean, what are you gonna do with this? It's gone, man. So we pre-lubed all this. You're gonna get all new everything here. And if you lube this thing, it's not gonna get all this brown rust color, okay? It's gonna be more like down there, like nice and black, and it'll work 100 times better, probably 1,000,000 times better. And if you got grease in there, get WD-40 out, a scraper, a flathead, a spatula, whatever you can, and clean and get that gook out of the track. That is the worst stuff ever. I got videos on getting that grease out of your track on residential door. Go look that video up. I'll probably put a link on it down here or up there or over here, wherever it shows up at the end of the video, to look at that. Do not put grease in a track. Worst thing ever. Anyway, that's my rant over. New operator, new cables, new bottom cable holders, some new hinges and rollers and through bolts, and this thing will be back on track. They voted to fix this, not replace it. Replacing it, we could have done that too, and it's an oversized same day, but we're doing a same day operator change. So there it is, Innovative Garage Door, 630-271-9343. We'll fix your operator on your truck trailer door. Or if you want to call it your springs, which that's what I call it. Those are springs, not an operator, but whatever. Okay, I'm not in charge of the naming of the products, but anyway, give us a call, 630-271-9343. We'll hook up your truck trailer door, same day service, same day on installs, the whole thing, 90 by 90 drop-ins, 94 by 108 drop-ins. We got all that operator drop-in, whatever you want, we got you covered. Give us a call. I'll probably make a part 2 of this. If I don't be mad, be glad, be happy, and thanks for watching. And as always, I encourage everybody to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching our truck trailer, new operator, spring, torsion spring, cables, bottom fixture, garage door video. See ya!